Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I'm here to give you a tip that just might save your life or the life of someone that you know or don't know. So, we're in the Corona times, right? And a lot of people are getting outside and they're going for walks, and which is great, and they're going for runs, which is great. I am all for moving and keeping your body healthy while you keep your mind sane, and that is fantastic. But I've noticed as I'm going outside taking my walks, there's a lot of runners and walkers, but you really notice this with the runners, who are mouth breathers. So they're running through, they're exhausted, they're tired, they're doing a really good thing for the body, but they're breathing through their mouth, and what they're doing is they're coming at you. What do? You're like, flip, you can hear them coming, right? Because it's a loud breath. And you know that even though they're more than 6 feet away from you at the time, their air is pushing at you because they're mouth breathing. And let's do the physics of this. That air is already traveling at the speed that their body's traveling because their body's moving, right? So now the air's coming out and it's actually coming out at you faster. So they're closing that gap. So even if they're 12 feet away, so you need like a 30-foot buffer because they're mouth breathing and they're coming, right? So your only course of action for you is to and wait till they pass. But that's really not what we need. What we need is for them to actually be a nasal breather because that's the way they're designed. We're supposed to be nasal breathers. And when we breathe with our in and out through our nose, our diaphragm is doing its job better. Your diaphragm is your inner core unit. Well, it's the captain of your inner core muscles. Anyway, if your nasal breathing and your diaphragm is doing its job, you're gonna be a stronger, better, more efficient runner and walker. I said a lot of stuff just to say nasal breathing makes you a better runner. But it's not about you, it's about others. So if you're running at somebody mouth breathing, you're putting them at risk for the virus or any other germs you might be carrying, or even your breath. I mean, think about it. So check this out. Clearly, we can see that this mouth breather here is projecting air out of his mouth in a horizontal velocity. Now, my friend over here, he's a nasal breather. And as you can see, the air is coming down out of his nose towards the ground. Nobody is down below him except for children and cats or dogs. But this guy here, if he's running and he's breathing like this, he is pushing air into the direction of anyone he meets. He's putting them at risk. But this guy here, he is respectfully acknowledging people in front of him while he breathes down towards the ground. This guy here might be running, and that's a good thing, but he's not really running as strong and as efficiently as he could if he were breathing like this guy here. Not that this guy here is a runner, because he's probably got better things to do at his time, but if he's walking, he's still going to be a stronger walker. You see what I'm saying? So my point is, if you go outside and you go for a walk, or you go for a run and you're approaching people, try to be a nasal breather. You're designed to be a nasal breather anyway. It's only gonna keep you stronger. It's only gonna keep them safer. And you're gonna appreciate that if somebody's running at you, they're nasal breathing. That's my tip this week. I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.